All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Yeah, here it is. This is my 16-inch MacBook Pro. I decided to go with the space black. Definitely, I've had all space grays and silvers before, and I decided to go ahead and get the space black. Yeah, it's something new. It's the new color, you know, and it looks good actually in person. I've seen some people say that it looks dark gray, and pretty much that's the concept. It's not going to be dark black. Like my watch is black. You know, this laptop is pretty much like Samsung's S24 Ultra. It's pretty much almost the same color, the same colorway. So here it is. I just got it powered up and I signed in and everything, and it looks good, man. It's so strange that coming from the 15. Now the 15, I gave it away. I was like, you know, I'm just going to give it away. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to order me a matte screen protector for this though, like I do with all laptops. But I gave the 15-inch away because I didn't want to sell it back to Apple and lose money. So I was like, I'm going to lose money if I sell it back to Apple. So I'm not doing that. So I gave the 15-inch away and then bought this 16-inch right here, Pro model. And it's beautiful, man. I genuinely like it so far. You're probably saying, well, Jay, you know, you have the M1 Max in your office. You're right. I do have the M1 Max in my office, but obviously this is a MacBook. This is a laptop. It can go wherever I want it to go. So with that being said, that's one of the reasons why I decided to go ahead and go with the MacBook again. And also I wanted to get something that is going to be really good to edit with outside of my office. I did not want to be in my office editing all the time. That is way more annoying than you could possibly imagine. So editing outside of my office is actually really good. I really enjoy it. Sitting in here sometimes in the dining area, editing and recording. I record in here sometimes too. And now that I have an SD card again, this is going to be great. So looking at the space black here, this is what it looks like. It's pretty much just a deep gray, and the logos are in black. Now the cable is black, but the power brick or the charging brick is not black. And so, you know, they could have gone all the way in with it, but they didn't, I guess. So this is what it looks like. This is much heavier. I mean, this is like 3.5 pounds or something like that, I think. But this is actually going to be a really nice laptop. I think the trackpad surprised me a lot because it's ginormous. This is a big trackpad. And I actually have the LG Gram still. That's one of my main Windows laptops. And it's a 17-inch. And but it's more of a wide screen, it appears, compared to this. But this is actually really nice. This display is just beautiful, man. This is a beautiful display. That's on about almost half right there. And that is a high resolution display. This is really, really good quality. So just wanted to show you that it was here, man. I mean, I got such a good deal on it. I just couldn't resist. You know, I do get discounts with Apple. And so it was just a no-brainer for me to grab this eventually. For those that know in my group, I've been going back and forth about this so much. And then finally, I found a way to just give away the 15-inch MacBook Air and get the 16. I didn't need two MacBooks. I needed another MacBook that was just as powerful, if not more powerful, than my M1 Max in my office. And for me, I had to go for the M3 Max. This is the M3 Max with the 1 terabyte, and I think this one has 38 gigs of RAM inside. So I'm excited about it. I'm ready to put it to the test. I got to organize things how I want them to be, and got to download Chrome and stuff like that and get signed into everything. But I'm excited. So here it is, man. This is my 16-inch MacBook Pro M3 Max. See you guys in the next video. Take care.